Greetings everyone, I'm Adam. Now, I'm no scientist, nor pretend to be one, but there's one thing that Brian Cox never explained on his The Science of Doctor Who special, and that was regeneration. So I'm going to do my best to explain if it can ever happen. Now, regeneration, best explained by the Ninth Doctor, is when a Time Lord is about to die, his body changes. Every cell in his body dies and regrows instantly, changing his appearance. But is this possible for human beings to actually regrow every cell in our body when near death? Us as humans can regrow our cells in small numbers, but nothing so big as to change our full appearance or de-age us back to a younger point in our lives. But what if this ability of full body regeneration was given to us? Longer lifespans so our brains would never die, our hearts would never stop beating, and our lungs would never stop taking oxygen. So, why can't we have this mystical ability to relive our lives with a new face? Because our bodies do not have this energy to do this. Healing a tiny wound can take up to a week, and sometimes it might not even come back the way you remember it, such as a scar I have on my finger. But even then, think how long it would take to tell our cells to regress into a younger version of what the cells that used to be there used to look like. But now let's look at some other animals. Some reptiles and fish, and also jellyfish, can actually regenerate. Scientists have called this particular creature I'm about to talk about immortal, but is it really? Now, if you've seen episode 8 of Torchwood Miracle Day, you might remember this. The creature, known scientifically as Turritopsis nutricula. If a mature Turritopsis is threatened, injured, or starving, for example, it attaches itself to a surface in warm ocean waters and converts into a blob. From that state, its cells undergo transdifferentiation, in which the cells essentially transform into different types of cells. Muscle cells can become sperm or egg cells, and nerve cells can change into muscle cells, revealing a transformation potentially unparalleled in the animal kingdom itself. Now, back onto humans. Although in the world, the best and the most knowledgeable all look and seek the secret of regeneration and immortality, the truth is, they really aren't far off. We have lots of medical researches going on and also stem cell researches. Chances are we won't be able to actually perform a full body regeneration, but maybe in time can actually help to give those with a loss of a limb another chance. Although we still have stem cell research which many people on this planet still believe is wrong, stem cells are undifferentiated cells that can differentiate into specialised cells and can divide to produce more stem cells. Stem cells act as a repair system for the body, rebuilding adult tissues. So, in theory, one day the ability to regenerate somebody's arm is not that far away. We have all heard and seen the mouse with an ear on its back. Now maybe in a few years that could become a hand, and then into an arm, and then more and more until one day regeneration might be a real thing.